Why is mulch used on garden beds? Answer: control weeds. How deep should most seeds be sown? And the answer is twice seed size. When is the best time to water the garden? Answer: early morning. What does the NPK ratio represent? The answer is nutrient levels. Where should you place sun-loving plants? The answer is south exposure. How do you identify nitrogen deficiency? Did you guess it? The answer is yellow leaves. Why is crop rotation important? Here is the answer: pest reduction. When should vining tomatoes be staked? The answer is at planting. What is the purpose of deadheading? Did you guess it? The answer is more blooms. How is compost tea applied to plants? The correct choice is liquid spray. Why do heavy clay soils need grit? And the answer is better drainage. Where should mint be grown to stop spread? And the answer is in a container. What is the pH of acidic soil? Here is the answer: below 7.0. When should spring shrubs be pruned? The answer is after blooming. How do pollinators find garden flowers? Did you guess it? The answer is color and scent. Why are mycorrhizal fungi beneficial? And the answer is nutrient uptake. How does phototropism affect growth? Time's up! It's leaning to light! What defines a facultative plant? Time's up! It's adaptable! When is vernalization required? Answer: before flower. Where is the apical meristem located? Here is the answer: stem tips. How do auxins influence root growth? Answer: cell elongation. Why is blossom end rot common? The answer is calcium lack. What is the effect of damping off? The answer is seedling death. How does allelopathy inhibit growth? And the answer is chemicals. Why are determinate tomatoes unique? Answer: limited height. What causes chlorosis in acid plants? The answer is high soil pH. When should a soil drench be used? Here is the answer. Root treatment. Where do scale insects usually hide? The answer is under leaves. How does capillary action help soil? The correct choice is water movement. Why is perlite added to potting mix? Did you guess it? The answer is better aeration. What is the result of etiolation? The answer is weak pale stems. When is softwood used for grafting? Did you guess it? The answer is during spring. How does scarification help seeds? The answer is breaks coat. Why use a humectant in gardening? Here is the answer. Hold moisture. What is an adventitious root? The answer is stem origin. Where is the vascular cambium found? Did you guess it? The answer is under the bark. How do nematodes affect root health? And the answer is root galling. Why is vermiculite used in starts? The answer is water holding. What is a hydrozone in gardening? The correct choice is water grouping. When does photorespiration occur? The answer is high light. How is tilth defined in soil? The answer is physical state. Why is soil solarization used? The answer is kill pathogens. What is the role of boron in plants? The answer is cell wall form. Where is the cotyledon located? The answer is inside a seed. How does a soil CEC affect growth? Did you guess it? The answer is nutrient store. Why is a systemic pesticide used? Answer: absorbed inside. What causes pithiness in vegetables? Answer: rapid growth. When is a hardneck garlic planted? The answer is late autumn. How do you identify thrips damage? And the answer is silver streaks. Why is bolting bad for lettuce? The answer is bitter taste. That's it for today. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily trivia. See you next time.